Hey everybody, wanted to check in with you, let everybody know what is going on around Coffee County. Um, Everybody's going crazy. Everybody is basically panic buying. You can't get into Walmart hardly. Harvey's supermarket, same way. Save a Lot, people need to beware. Save a Lot is price gouging. Watch yourself if you're in there shopping. They are price gouging. I have reported them. They are going to be looking into them. I reckon when all this is over, or when it starts settling down or whatever. Another thing, people need to watch their surroundings. I've seen a lot of people open carry. There's a lot of people wearing masks because of this virus going around. Not saying that everyone that has a gun is bad people, but bad people can hide up under the mask, these medical masks. So everybody just take a breather, notice, watch your around, and just be careful, y'all. As soon as I find out more, I will let y'all know. We love y'all. Keep praying for us. We're praying for you, and we love y'all.